Welcome to this tutorial on Vexub AI video generator. Your all-in-one tool to create videos in minutes using just text, audio, or even SMS. In this video, I'll show you how to generate a full video using the text-to-video feature step by step. Let's get started. First, go to vexub.com and click on the dashboard button in the top right corner. Now, enter your email and password, then click on the login button. Alternatively, you can click on Continue with Google to sign in instantly. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on the Create a Video button. Now choose the video type. You'll see 4 options: text to video, MP3 to video, MP4 to video, and SMS video. I will select text to video. Then click on the Go to Step 2 button. In Step 2, choose your video format. You can select either vertical or horizontal. I will go with horizontal and click on Go to Step 3. Next, choose the narrator and voice. I will select No Narrator and keep the default voice settings. Then click Go to Step 4. Now it's time to generate your video script. You can type a topic or prompt manually. I will click on the Inspire Me button to auto-generate a text prompt. Once the text appears, click on the Generate button to create your script. Now click on Go to Step 5. In this step, choose your image style. I will select Realistic V2, then click on the Start Generation button. Wait a few moments while Vexub generates your video. Once it's ready, click to preview the video.
What if success only came through facing your greatest fear? Consider this: every opportunity you've missed, every door you've left unopened, isn't it often because of fear? That pit in your stomach, that voice in your head, these aren't just obstacles.
Vexub AI also gives you additional options including video title, video description, video thumbnail, and the ability to download the video. And that's it. You've successfully created a full video using Vexub AI in just a few easy steps. If this video helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you're creating with Vexub. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.